everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Poshmark account. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Open a web browser of your choice and in the URL box type in poshmark.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of Poshmark. If you want to log out of your Poshmark account, then the process is quite straightforward. From the main home page after logging in, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner, and this will open up an expanded pop-up. Scroll all the way down and you should be able to see this log out option. Click on it, and then within a few seconds, you'll be redirected to the main home page of Poshmark. You've now successfully logged out or signed out of the account. If you ever want to log back in, you'll need to enter your email and your password for the account. So that's how you can easily log out of Poshmark accounts within a few seconds. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.